Today I want to show you two of my favorite products for covering up under eye circles, because I don't know about you, but the older I get, the worse these dark circles and bags get. I already put on one coat of my favorite under eye brightener. It's a Trish McEvoy, and it's called Instant Eye Lift. What it does is it has iridescent particles that reflect light. So you want to put that on first. I recommend putting it right in the hollow there and in the corner. Now I'm going to put a coat of regular concealer over this because this is just kind of like a base that reflects light. You can use it just as a concealer, but I like to use two because that's just how dark my circles are. So this is step one. And I like to use a blender, my Makiage concealer. I like this because it's very creamy. It's called Fuck I'm Flawless. F-U-C-K, sorry about the swearing. I'm just going to dot that again in my dark areas and the corner. And this is really like the blendable, buildable coverage you want for a concealer. And for this one, I will use my blender brush from Huda. I'll link to this too. I love this brush. It sculpts in shades. Great for contour. The smaller end of the brush is perfect for concealer because you really want to blend that in good. I love this creamy concealer. It doesn't settle into my wrinkles. It sits on top of the skin and it really covers and brightens. So yeah, discoloration around my eyes is really a problem. All you late 40s women will relate, but these two products together have really helped me out. I can also use, some concealer on some little red marks like I have right there. And overall, it's a great concealer.